my knowledge will be in a limited space. It will
Mhm.
not grow. It will not go beyond the thing, not the bound. I can't cross the boundaries.
So, hi audience, we have Sayantam Datta with us today. So, he has a background B.tech, M.tech in mechanical engineering, and now he's starting his career in intellectual property with Ennoble IP. So, congratulations.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so first of all, I want to ask you a question. How, coming from a mechanical engineering background, you thought that intellectual property and patents field is the right career option for you?
And no, actually, I had a subject on my M.tech. There was a subject in my semester,
Mhm,
intellectual property, and I have also a thesis and a research paper on the paper of power field of powder metallurgy.
mhm,
So actually, I was working in a steel factory,
mhm,
and was for like 8 months, and not 8 months, 10 months,
mhm,
and after that, I came to know that if I stay in that field, I my graduation career, my graduation certificate is much more sufficient enough to
mhm,
excel there. But my 2 years of like journey in the M.tech, the research and whole thing and all, that will not work in that maintenance field.
mhm,
So then I came to know about this IP field. And I also recognize that I have read a subject regarding that.
mhm,
And in this, what happened then? I found out that there is something like courses are. This courses is introduced to me, and after that, I called up with connected with Astha ma'am.
mhm,
Astha ma'am gave me all the descriptions and all that, how you should do the thing, what is the thing, what's the main job you have to do, and after that, yeah, I joined with the 3 months courses, and yeah, I didn't got only the Ennoble IP. Actually, I
mhm.
got 3 jobs from this IIPTA.
Awesome,
This,
awesome.
yeah, that's the Brainiac IP
Mhm,
in Pune,
mhm,
Infiniment IP that was in Vadodara,
mhm,
and third this Ennoble IP.
mhm,
So yeah, and I found out that yeah, of course, Ennoble IP will be much more better option
mhm,
than the other companies.
mhm.
So yeah, I would like so I choose the company Ennoble.
Awesome, awesome. So when you were researching about like patent industry, so what were the points which really make you made decision that you were drawn towards this industry and you thought this is the right field?
No, actually, M.tech is all about like R&D department. You don't have
Mhm.
to deal with the bookish theories.
Right.
So it's like totally using that bookish theories to make a new thing. That's
Mhm.
the whole thing in a M.tech. So I was totally drawn towards R&D department. Like
Mhm.
I really want to have my career in R&D department. So this thing supports the R&D department whole and solely. So
Mhm.
like the R&D department, that like without IP, our R&D department can't stand in front of the whole world. So then I decided that yeah, I can learn new things, new innovations, new ideas
Mhm.
day and day. But if I stay in a post of a maintenance engineer, then I
Mhm.
have to like my knowledge will be in a limited space. It will
Mhm.
not grow. It will not go beyond the thing, not the bound. I can't cross the boundaries.
Mhm.
So for learning day to day in my new life, I decided to go for IP only. That's
Awesome.
the main thing.
Awesome. So when you were studying during our program, so what were the good factors you understood? Like these are the good points.
No, actually, the most important factor and the good factors is, ma'am, that I had never attended your live classes.
Mhm.
This is my like second interaction with you, and the recording classes were so good
Mhm.
that it didn't make me like feel that I am not attending the live classes. It's like that because I have to work on the morning,
Right.
and at the night, like after coming from my shifts after
Mhm.
10 p.m., I used to go through the recording classes from summer hackathon and that mechanical patent analyst tab. from these two tabs I have taken the whole classes. And yeah, I have even the recordings were so much clear that I didn't had to attend the the doubt clearing classes also. So
Mm-hmm.
it was so much, it was so much crystal clear to me. So that's yeah, it helped me a lot. Like a recording can do. I was wondering that if the recording can do so much thing, then if I would have attended the live classes, then it would have been taken a much more less time for me to grab this career.
So, congratulations. I'm so proud of you for your success. And I wish whatever is your dream, that to grow and learn about innovations and new things in the mechanical engineering industry. You grow more, you learn about innovations, and you become very, very successful.
Yeah,
And
sure.
thank you so much for talking to me.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
All right.
All
Bye.
right. Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
This is how more and more people are getting success each day. If you want such success for yourself, I recommend to watch the masterclass. There's a link given in the description and I want you to see the masterclass now.